What? What'd you say?
If I can step away.
Step away from what?
From you, I'm mentioning.
No, I don't care.
Okay.
Anyway, like I was saying was, how much homework did you say that you had? What's today's date?
October 2nd.
Today's October the 2nd, 2012. You saying that you only have one homework, right? Okay. So what is the paper that was in your pocket that says homework?
That was classwork.
So why would you put your classwork to say homework?
I do that sometimes.
Oh. So if I go to the school tomorrow, she's going to tell me you only have one homework?
Maybe no, because I wasn't.
I didn't ask you maybe. I said if I go to the school tomorrow, is she going to tell me that you only have one homework?
Maybe no.
Don't put maybe in this. Tell me what she's going to tell me. What is your teacher going to tell me? You should know what the heck. You should know what your teacher. You will be on punishment for a month, Hyro. You tell me that you're not paying attention again, and there will be no cutbacks this time. Now I'm asking you nicely. I'm not even yelling. I'm not screaming. I'm gonna ask you again. If I go to the class tomorrow and embarrass you in front of the whole class, is she gonna tell me that you only had one homework? That she only gave you one homework? What's she gonna tell me? You tell me. How many she's gonna tell me you had?
Three. I remember.
Now you remember.
And
Now.
I already had the social studies done. Now I remember that I did it in class instead of home.
Okay, so let me see it. You had the social studies. What else? Wait, come back before you do anything. Social studies. What else?
And the math I wrote on the paper.
And what else?
And that's it.
You just said three. First, you told me you only had one homework, and that what's the third one?
Math.
No, math. And what else?
Social studies.
What else?
And science.
Thank you very much. Now, you told me the teacher said you only have one homework. You don't have. You said the teacher said you only had one homework, and that she couldn't finish the rest of the paper, so she told you only do one page. Is that what you said?
The science one that she was gonna give us 3 pages. She was gonna give us 2 pages of another homework, the science that we had to do. But she said not to do it because she was missing one of the 2 papers.
So you saying that she's saying you didn't have to do science.
I already did science. Let me show you.
Let me give the teacher this recording.
Yeah.
Huh?
Look, this is the science homework. She was gonna give us another page of this that had to do with this for a homework of science. But she didn't find it, so she told us not to do the paper that came with this because how we were gonna do if the other one was missing. But this, she left it for homework.
Where is that other page?
On the other page of this, I just told you that she doesn't have, the teacher didn't have it.
Why would she give you homework that she don't have?
Exactly.
She said not to do the homework that had to do with this.
Oh, so she said just don't do no science homework.
This is science also. She was gonna give us 2 science homeworks.
You just said 3.
Can I finish?
You already finished it.
No, I'm not. You don't
Okay,
even
say
know
start
me.
from the beginning.
That she was gonna give us 2 science homeworks.
But
But
didn't he say 3 before? Okay.
Yeah.
because I meant that this is like 1 page and she was gonna give us another page with this.
So she said don't do that one right there.
This one because the other page
What were you
was
supposed to do
missing.
on that one?
She said not to do it.
Oh, she didn't tell you
because the
what to
other
do?
one was missing.
So she
The
just
other
gave
one is
hold
the-
on. So she just gave you the homework and didn't tell you what to do. Huh? Did she just give you the
That's
homework?
I told you that she was gonna get that she gave us this, but then she noticed that the other one was missing, so she said not to do this one until she finds the other one.
Okay.
That she'll have it by tomorrow.
Alright.
And this one we had to do it, I did it.
Alright. Now, what happened to your other homework?
To the social studies?
And the math?
The math I wrote on the paper that I couldn't even find.
Go and ask and see. Go ask teacher. Is he missing any homework at all?
I know, because he was homework before.
Do we get books? Because he never had the equipment to do his homework.
And this is supposed to be the math,
So, social studies.
and this is the math.
Both of them are social studies. I don't have
And this
space
is the
on-
math.
No!
Where is the man?
That I wrote it on the paper, the math homework, but I can't find it.
Well, then do it. You can't take something in that you can't find, so what's doing it?
Yeah.
With what? That paper that said the homework, I can't find it, so I can't do the math homework. I wrote on the paper and I can't
You
find
better try
it.
to remember it.
What?
How are you
was
gonna
about-
write something on the paper in
It
your
was
notebook?
about
That,
angles.
Where did you go that you lost the paper?
How am I supposed to know where I
You
left
the
the
only
paper?
person supposed to know. I don't know.
I had my notebook and now I can't find it.
You gotta look in
so it
your
just
bag.
ran out your notebook? It just said,
Is-
oh,
is
let me
these
just
one of the
leave out of your
papers?
house.
Let me see.
Hold on.
Yeah, that's it.
So you just told us a big ass lie. You just literally told us the biggest lie ever.
But that's the math homework.
No, but you just told us just now that was your homework. Yeah, I mean your work that you had to do in class.
That
You
is the
did
one
not
that
do
was.
No, the paper that I just took out your pocket. I asked you what was that paper, and you told me it was your classwork.
The top one's yeah.
What?
Nope.
The top one's yeah, but the math one isn't.
Excuse me, Hara.
That there, class.
Hara.
Yes.
The paper that Tiffany's holding in her hand.
Yeah.
This I did class.
That
we
paper right
did
there.
today.
That paper right there. You said you did that was classwork.
No,
Yeah.
you said. Let me tell you how it went down. You stashed this in your pocket, right? And you didn't think you gave yourself up, or you just should have just dumped everything out your pockets. You wouldn't even thought to look at this piece of paper, but you took so long to come out the pocket.
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about?
No, I don't.
All right, then you don't know, but this is your homework, and you
Leave it.
said that this whole thing was classwork, but you did not finish it and you did not do it. And she asked,
Stop.
what did she ask? She said, why do you write your why does your schoolwork says homework? You said you do that sometimes.
I do.
Okay, so how did this become the math homework that you're missing if you said you just now said 10 seconds beforehand that you did not know where it was at? So therefore you stashed it in your pocket so you wouldn't be able to have to do it, and you thought she wasn't going to check to see all your homework. And you didn't think she was going to catch you in your lie. I don't know any of the days if you're lying about
Well,
anything.
excuse me. Sit back.
But you're gonna get in trouble if you go to the school and ask the teacher if you're missing any homework at all from the day you started. Because if you do, you gotta do all them homeworks over. And if you saying that you don't get any books, or she don't give you no pamphlets where you have to do the homework, and you have to whatever how you do
Sometimes she
to.
does.
So have you ever have them and done
Stop.
it? Did you miss any homework that I'm talking about?
No, I haven't.
So if I go to school tomorrow, in front of your whole class, you gonna tell me that you're not missing no homework?
Yeah.
Because I would hate to see you cry in front of your whole class. That's what I'm gonna make you do.
I don't remember missing any homework.
Oh, so now something you don't remember? You have amnesia?
What is that?
That means you acting like you can't remember. You're faking. You're lying, telling me that you can't remember if you don't have homework.
I thought that was a.
Well, don't worry. You'll know when you start crying in the class tomorrow. Give me the paper.
I need it.
No, I'm gonna show her. I'm gonna show her the paper that you said that was not your homework. That
I
you
need
said that
my
was
math
classwork.
homework.
I'll bring it to class tomorrow.
No,
I'll be
I
right
need
there in
my
front of your
math
class.
homework.
I'll bring it to class. Don't
Please,
worry.
I need
No,
my math homework.
no, go in your room.
She can.
I will bring your
She-
work tomorrow in front of your class.
I
The
need
teacher-
my math homework.
The teacher, she gonna tell the teacher that you ain't have to do the math because you said you didn't
Yeah, you said you didn't have no homework. You said you didn't have
right
none.
there.
You said you didn't have no math homework. You
Because
told me that's not your
I
homework right there. That
remember.
can't possibly be your homework. It's your schoolwork.
It is. This is my.
You
that's
told
my
me in the
homework.
beginning of it all that this was your schoolwork. You didn't say, oh, this is your homework. I asked you 4 times. Not 3, not 2, not 1. I asked you 4 times. And you still went back to the same story. You still said the same thing over and over again.
But that
So-
is my homework. The
Oh,
rest is
so you'll see it tomorrow when I come to class.
I need
And
my
for the whole, you don't need it.
homework.
You'll need it when you get to
Yes,
class.
I do.
Don't worry, trust me. I'll have you in front of the whole class
No,
tomorrow.
I need my math homework.
Okay, good night.
No, I'm not leaving until I get
Mike
my
got
math
egg roll on
homework.
it.
You need to get the hell out of my room. Goodbye.
No, I need my math.
Don't talk to me that way and don't disrespect me. Get out my room
I
now.
need my math homework.
Get out my room
My
now.
math
Get
homework.
out. I will whip this up. You got the 3 to get out my room.
I
1,
need
2,
I need my math
3.
homework.
Now you do the whole homework over again because I asked you 4 or 5 times to get out my room. Now do the
I
whole
was
thing all
only
over
missing
again.
the math homework.
I don't care. You should have lied in the beginning.
I
I don't care.
was only
But you
missing
shouldn't.
the
When I told you to go out the room, you should have listened. I said to you 3, 4 times. Now you want it? Take it. Redo the whole
I'll
thing
take
all
it
over.
up.
Redo the whole thing over. The whole thing. Because you shouldn't have never did that. All you had to do is show me some respect, walk out the room, give yourself enough time. But no, you telling me no, I'm not leaving anywhere before you go. Now write the whole thing all over. That's what happens when you don't have no respect.
Babes know everything.